Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 26th day of February 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today live. And we look for our regular strong candle indicator, which in this case, here's the one saying push down, but we're not going to take that into a brick wall. So we take the one that's pushing off the brick wall, and here's the strong candle indicator saying take this long. An amazing looking trade. We're going to let this push down a bit, and then we're going to put our order right on the body of the candle to go long. PVI much better than it was yesterday. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 120 and 150 ticks in length. So we're going to pair our ATM with that. We're going to go for 20 tick first targets, at which time we'll de-risk the trade, and we'll go for runners of 50s and 100s. Pretty much what we do on a daily basis. So here we go. So we're going to buy, and we just need this to push down a bit first. We want to really ideally come down to yesterday's low, push off of that, and then pick us up. And here's how it all went down in the room today. Boom, that's perfect. Oof. I don't know what's going on. It's top of the hour is what it is. And it's gone down to yesterday's low. If it pushes off of there and picks us up, high probability that we're going to do very well on this particular trade. We're over top of the trend line, and really nice. I'm loving this push down for the first the first minute or two, or minute and a half of the candle. I love a nice push down because when it well and truly then fails and comes back and picks us up, then it's going to go even better our way. So nice push down. We'll stay at regular speed. This is regular market speed until we get picked up in the trade and all of our contracts, all of our targets are set. And then we'll speed it up just to so we're not here all day. Perfect retrace, perfect amount of time, brilliant. Now we got the first thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs. It's almost right there. So right there is good. You'll see what happens to our stop when we hit our first target. We'll de-risk the trade entirely, and we'll even get a new order just in case it comes back and takes us out at break even. So there we go. There we go. First target's out. There we go. There, stop move to a break even position. If it comes back and takes us out at break even, then we can decide whether we want to put a new trade on or not. Once it hits our second target, we'll be in profit no matter what happens. So let's go ahead and speed it up and see what happens. I don't remember it coming back and taking us out at break even. I thought it went right to profit. I could be wrong. We do a lot of different trades during the day. There we go. There's some Fibonacci reasons why it's taking a little bit of time. There we go. Second target's out. And now it's got some momentum. And we'll look for our 100 tick target to get taken out soon. There we go. Boom. All right, that was that. So targets are all out in about 4 minutes, and that trade was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in 4 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. We have all the education you need, as well as indicators that you won't find anywhere else. So come and join us, SamuraiDayTrading.com. We'll see you in the live trading room real soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.